Alright guys, welcome back to today's video. Today's video is sponsored by Ali Pearl Hair, and they sent me this 13x4 lace front wig, 24 inches. The density is 200. I love this hair, guys. The texture is amazing. It is beautiful, as you guys can see. The packaging, I get some extra goodies with this hair, so there's not too much stress. Anyway guys, the color of the hair is amazing. I absolutely love it. It complements my complexion, and trust me, it can work with your complexion too. Alright, I love how they construct this wig. It is just everything. It is a lace front wig, like I said, and it's also HD lace. The hair also comes with a wig cap, a edge brush, a edge band, and a silk scarf. Thank you, Ali Pearl. I also get some lashes, girl. So right here, guys, I did put the wig on to a canvas edge just to see how it will look, because we're not bleaching the knots. I'm just gonna add some makeup. Guys, I'm just here prepping the wig, and I tell you, I kid you not, just prepping it, all I did was add some of my earwax, and I just put the hair back with the comb, give it a part, and oh my god, I love it. I love I love the color. So guys, I'm extremely sorry. I was in my garage recording and it was late, and there's just some peeny wally, that's what we call it. You guys can hear it in the background, but I'm extremely sorry about that. Let's just enjoy this sleigh. Guys, we are going to be putting this wig on. My hair is braided. We're gonna put on a cap. I actually braided my hair from last night because and now it's tonight. I wanted to do this wig from in the day, but I was dealing with my baby and she was so miserable. So I hate this part. But we're gonna spray this. I love the color of the wig. I'm excited to put it on. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Alright guys, you guys know this part. As soon as this is dry, then we're gonna cut it off and get in with this wig.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you what's gonna be done, guys. So she's here she's getting ready to do her face, because she got, you know,
I'm not doing my face, I'm doing my hair.
You're doing your hair. Alright, whatever it is. What she's gonna do, guys, she's gonna clip right here, and after she clip right here, she's gonna cut it. But she's not gonna cut it close to right here, because this is where the glue is at. She's gonna cut this off, basically. Up here, like here. Sorry. You feel me? Then she's gonna glue it again, then she's gonna spray this on it, you know. So guys, spoiler alert.
I'm gonna add some makeup.
Yes.
to my hair.
Oh, yeah, and the reason for that because she wants it to look as flush and real as possible. So y'all could say, what lace?
Alright guys, so we're gonna cut the lace.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn up on.
Guys, this is what she's doing right now. Remember what I told you? She's gonna cut it precise as possible. Then she's gonna put glue right here again, and then she's gonna put this on it and spray it so it flush. Ain't that so?
No.
And then she's gonna, but I've never normally see her sew this part down, so I guess she don't want the cap to really lift off.
I'm gonna cut the cap off.
Babes, you go too close. Damn, you see it going up, you see?
I sew it down so it's not gonna move.
Oh, you've learned that. Who teach you that? More.
So I did go ahead and I wiped my edge with some alcohol so that the glue can hold. We're gonna add the lace glue. We're gonna add another layer of glue. It's time to add the wig on, and I'm super excited. So this is the wig with the brown color. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. It is like a, oh, look at that. So this is how it looks. I like to style the wig before I put it on my head. I don't know, it just works easier for me. I hate to style my hair. I hate to style it on my head, so I just feel like I hurry and it just don't get done properly. And that's my choice. This is a 13 by 4 lace front wig, HD lace, Ali Pearl, and it is 24 inches, and the color is absolutely beautiful. I'm telling you, it is. All right, so this is it.
You got me looking at my watch every minute. Yeah.
like to lay one side down first. Oh my God. Come on now. Come on now. Oh. So I'm gonna take some of the hair out so I can make my baby hair. I think I want this much out. Let's do it on the other side. Alright, so I think this is it. What you guys think? I absolutely love this hair. Just to let y'all know, I'm gonna add some, because I'm gonna tie this down, so I'm just gonna add some hairspray. I love this hair. It sits on my head like, oh girl, let me pin it up because I love how it fits. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take the this off. I think I'm gonna cut the lace. Done with one side, let's cut the other side. guys, my makeup is done. We're gonna take this off.
Now would you please swing my way?
Oh my god, I love the hair color. The wig sits on my head without like no job.
Taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think playing with. I'm just
And the good thing about it is that it doesn't matter your complexion, this will also
and
fit
over
somebody
again.
dark.
Sweat change, but I
Dark
know this
complexions,
the end.
you guys notice I did not do baby hair right here because I just wanted it to
That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of you, see you almost your mind.
calm it down, Ali Pearl.
You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Oh, you on scene. Think you know your blood is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay on the rain. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where